Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Tether, USDT, from your Revolut account to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, invest, or just move your assets around, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Tether is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, but transferring it between platforms like Revolut and Bitmart requires a bit of care to avoid any hiccups. First things first, make sure you have both a Revolut account with Tether in it and a verified Bitmart account. Always double-check that your accounts are secure. Enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. This helps protect your funds in the fast-evolving crypto world of 2025. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Navigate to the Crypto section, where you'll see your Tether balance. Select Tether and choose the Send or Withdraw option. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so don't close this yet. Step 2. Head over to your Bitmart account. Go to your wallet section and find your USDT deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Bitmart might have specific instructions for Tether deposits, like using the ERC20 network, so verify that. Step 3. Back in Revolut, paste the Bitmart wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send, but remember to account for any network fees. In 2025, fees can vary, so check the estimated cost before confirming. Step 4. Review the transaction details one last time. Make sure the address is correct and the amount is right. Hit Confirm and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Bitmart and check your wallet to confirm the Tether has arrived. If you run into issues, like delays or errors, contact support from both platforms quickly. There you have it. That's how to send Tether from Revolut to Bitmart in 2025. It's straightforward, but always stay vigilant with your crypto. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.